We're told that you have 50 mils of a zero point 0.1 molar HCN solution, right, titrated with zero point 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide. We're asked what is the pH of the resulting solution once the titration has reached equivalence point. At equivalence point, the number of moles, this is the reaction. Let's first start with that. HCN plus OH minus would have CN minus plus water, which would mean that at equivalence point, you have the number of moles of this is 0.05 times zero point 0.1, which is 0.005, would also be the number of moles the um, of the of the base. So also 50 mils, right? Most of it must have been added because the concentration to 0.05 times zero point 0.1, that's 0.005 moles, right? Which would mean that the number of moles of the conjugate of the cyanide ion that will be produced would